Welcome to DMC's Media Skills for the Real World. This is your channel for practical training, tutorials, and knowledge that prepares you for real job sites. Today we're diving deep into the Excavator's Basics Part #1, one of the most common and powerful machines on a construction site. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to operate safely, use the controls, protect the environment, and why DigSafe is so important. Stick around until the end for a quick quiz yourself test to check your knowledge. Excavators are versatile machines designed for digging, lifting, grading, and demolition. They consist of three main parts. 1. The undercarriage tracks or wheels for movement. 2. The house includes the cab and engine mounted on a swing platform. 3. The boom, stick, and bucket, the working arm for digging and lifting. Understanding these basics helps you operate with more awareness and confidence. Safety is the #1 priority before even turning the key. Here are the essentials. PPE, personal protective equipment. Always wear a hard hat, high visibility vest, gloves, safety glasses, and steel toe boots. Walk around inspection. Check hydraulic hoses, tracks, fuel levels, lights, and attachments. Mounting and dismounting, use the 3-point contact rule. Never jump from the cab. Seat belts and cab safety, always buckle up. Secure loose objects inside. Awareness, know your swing radius. Keep people and obstacles outside your danger zone. Load safety, never overload. Stay within rated lifting capacity. Remember, a safe operator is a good operator. Operating an excavator takes practice, but let's cover the main controls. Left joystick, swing, left-right, and boom, up-down. Right joystick, stick in-out and bucket curl, uncurl. Pedals, levers, control track movement forward, backward, and turning. Auxiliary controls for hydraulic attachments like hammers or grapples. Pro tip, always operate smoothly, avoid sudden jerks, and keep your bucket low while moving for stability. Operating heavy equipment comes with environmental responsibilities. Soil erosion, be careful when digging near slopes or waterways. Spills and leaks, fuel, oil, and hydraulic leaks can contaminate soil and groundwater. Noise and dust, use water suppression when needed and respect local noise regulations. Wildlife and habitats. Some job sites are near protected areas. Stay aware of restricted zones. Every action you take affects the environment, so operate responsibly. One of the most important rules before you dig, call 811. Dig safe. Why? Because underground utilities like gas lines, water pipes, and electrical cables can cause injuries, fatalities, and massive damage if struck. Process, call at least 2-3 business days before digging. Utility companies will come mark lines with colored paint or flags. Never assume, depth and location of lines can change over time. Ignoring DigSafe isn't just dangerous, it's illegal in most states. Here are quick tips if you're just starting out. Always warm up the machine before heavy use. Keep the bucket teeth sharp and clean. Plan your dig path before starting. Never swing a load over people or vehicles. When shutting down, lower the bucket, neutralize controls, and lock out the machine. Alright, let's see what you've learned. Answer these questions for yourself. 1. What's the first thing you should do before operating an excavator? 2. What does the left joystick control? 3. Why is it important to keep your bucket low while moving? 4. What's the purpose of calling 811 DigSafe? 5. Name one environmental hazard excavator operators should be aware of. Write your answers in the comments below and test your knowledge against others. Excavators are powerful tools, but with power comes responsibility. Safety, awareness, and respect for the environment are the keys to being a professional operator. Thanks for watching this Excavator's Basics Part #1, brought to you by DMC's Media Skills for the Real World. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest training videos. Tell us in the comments what machine or skill you'd like to see next. And always remember, safety first, productivity second. We'll see you in the next video.